In the southern part, some reformers they emerged and they started spreading the awareness against the social evils, against the violation, against the domination of the Brahmins, overpowering the higher caste of the contemporary time. During that time, the Sudras, that means the lowest caste, they were the main victims. They were the victims of the time. High society people or higher caste, apart from Brahmin, it was considered as the highest caste still. But during that time, apart from Brahmin, other castes, Kshatriyas means they were known as, they are known as the warrior category. So they used to exploit these Sudras. Sudras, they used to work very menial work during that time. People, even they did not touch them. They did not offer them water. Separate wells, separate ponds, separate temples. Those were built far away in a desolate place for the Sudras. That was the casteism during that time, during colonial India. So that time in South India, one significant reformer, he emerged known as Narayana Guru. And he was a strong reformer of South. And he established many temples during that time without any deity, without any gods and goddesses, that means the deities in the temple. But he founded many temples. And he told, guys, you open page 61, you can see page 61, right side. He built many temples, Narayana Guru. He built many temples, put first bracket, you have to memorize it. Temples in which there were no images of deities. In the first temple that he built, a stone was placed instead of an idol. He was against idol worshipping. There will be no deity, any figure of any god or goddesses. What did he do? He built a stone was placed instead of an idol. On the stone was engraved this message: here is the place where all people live in fraternity without caste distinctions and religious rivalry. This is the stone. There will be no deity, no idol. And this stone, it consists of all caste, creed, religion. You can come and worship here. It was his message, Narayana Guru. Then, one more violence or one more evil practice. It was quite popular during that time, that is untouchability. The fight against untouchability. Who? The Sudras. They were known as untouchable. Then Mahatma Gandhi, 20th century, Mahatma Gandhi came and he fought against this practice, untouchability. Mahatma Gandhi, he used to call, you know guys very well, that he used to call those untouchables as Harijans. As Harijans. They were the children of God. He only fought against untouchability. So Gandhiji, he raised his voice and he told that they are the children of God and it is a crime, it is a violence if we call them untouchable. They are also human beings. So due to these social reformers, apart from that, Periyar, Jyotiba Phule. Then at last we find Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He himself was the victim in his childhood days, because you know that Dr. Ambedkar, he was scheduled caste. He belonged to a scheduled caste family, so he had to face lot of sufferings and miseries during her childhood days, because he himself was a victim, and that is why he was one of the members of the constitutional drafting committee. So he has mentioned some acts those support the untouchables, that means support scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. So guys, he founded several journals to spread his message between 1927 and 1932. He led his followers in a series of non-violence, that Bhimrao Ambedkar. Guys, you put first bracket on page 62, right side top. Put first bracket from here. He founded several journals to spread his message between 1927 to 1932. He led his followers in a series of non-violence campaign to assert the right of the untouchables in enter temples and draw water from public wells. In the beginning I told you that the Sudras, they were not allowed to fetch water from the same well, the common well. They were not allowed to use the pond, village pond, the common pond. Even their temple, some temples, those were built separately. Their temples were also separate. They were not allowed to worship in the same temple where other people of the other caste they used to worship. So these are the reformers who raised their voices against the social evils, those menial and malicious practice of the time. And then reformation came. It is due to these people, due to these personalities, from Raja Ram Mohan Rai up to Bhimrao Ambedkar. So guys, this is the entire chapter. This is the complete chapter, the chapter number 8, and the heading is Reforms in Indian Society. How reformation came in Indian society. We are breathing in fresh air now. Nowadays, we are breathing in fresh and comfortable society. We all, how? The contribution of these people. Now our society, we are passing to 21st century. We are breathing in healthy atmosphere, healthy environment, because of the intense struggle and contribution of these reformers of the time. So guys, this is the entire chapter. So I am not going to dictate to you any separate questions from here. Previous day, my previous lecture, I already gave you to solve A on page 62. I hope you have already solved. A and B match each statement, and C short answer type questions. And today I am going to give you the homework, that is long answer type questions you have to solve. Chapter is quite short chapter and very easy. I have already described, I have already discussed, I have already narrated everything before you. So today's homework, your homework is to solve question number D from your book, page number 63. And first, what you have to do, you will take the notebook, write down the topic, chapter number 8, history segment. You write history, write down the name of the topic, heading, and then find out all the important days, that means date, all the important date, that means the year from the beginning till end up to page 62. Note down Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4 or ABCD, whatever you want. So all the important date, if day is mentioned or date, once again I am telling you date is very important in history. So date, small hyphen, the event or incident. Date, right side, event or incident. Is it clear? Then you will solve question D. One by one you will solve. So question 1 to 6. Okay, so this will be your homework, because guys you are having book with you, so that is why separately I am not going to give you any question from this chapter. So till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.